Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to continue discovering the other online tools that we have found before. So the second one is yougetsignal.com. So this tool will allow us to run a reverse IP check on our website. So what does it mean? It means that we're going to be finding other domain names that are hosted on the same server with our target website. So I mentioned this before, right? So let me open it and show you how it's used. So this is yougetsignal.com, and you can directly go to your browser and just say yougetsignal.com, and it will ask you for a target website, and I will give the travelersgifts.com one more time. So it will check to see if there are other domains on the same server as well. And as you can see, there are a lot of them, okay? So travelersgifts.com shares their server with these domains as well. So what does it mean? As I explained before, they're on the same computer. So if we manage to hack one of these, it is possible that we can hack into the others as well. Of course, it is possible that they have some implementations of security in their system blocking this browsing from one website to another within the same hosting, within the same computer, but it's worth to give a shot, because if you cannot find any vulnerabilities on travelersgifts.com, maybe you can find other vulnerabilities in one of these websites. So it makes sense for a hacker to try and find some vulnerability in one of these websites and hack into those, and then try to make his or her way up to the travelersgifts.com using the same server, because they are located in the same computer eventually. And of course, the big websites, the corporation websites, do not share any servers because of this, okay? So you have to make your website safe, but also you have to make your server safe as well. And you cannot be certain of your security if you share some domains on the same server. Thus, most of the big companies use dedicated servers for their websites, for their databases, okay? And the yougetsignal.com is not the only tool that we can gather this information. There are a lot of free tools supplying that information to us, and actually with an easy way we can get this from bing.com as well. Yes, you can find these websites through search engines by using a reverse DNS lookup and nothing further. So let me show you an example of how it's done on bing.com. So open your browser and try to go to bing.com. So let me come here and say bing.com. And in here, we're not going to search for a regular query, but rather we're going to search for this IP address. Okay, so copy your IP address, and in here you have to write IP colon and space, then paste the IP address of your hosting of your server. So if you search like this, it will display all the results belonging to that IP address. So you can see the various websites in here with this search as well. So let's stop here, and within the next lecture we're going to continue discovering the other tools for information gathering purposes as well.